coming to you with an exciting vlog today. I am dyeing my hair. If you're new here, my name is Leah, or Leah the Princess on Twitch. I am mostly a vlog channel focusing on cosplay, DIY, but right now I am in the middle of a moving series because I'm moving to Las Vegas. If that interests you, don't forget to subscribe so you can get notified when I put out new videos. But today, speaking of DIY, we're dyeing my hair, DIY style. Right now, as you can see, I have a pink and orange situation going on. I actually posted a video of me creating this dye look, but I'm a little over it. We are into the Halloween season and I want to do something a little bit spookier. So let me show you the colors that I picked and I'll explain my vision. So we are going green. We have the Arctic Fox Phantom Green, which is like this super dark green that I want to do on sort of like the top part of my hair down to like the mids. And then on the ends, I've got Punky Colors Apple Green for just a little bit of an ombre effect. I'm hoping that these colors are different enough that you can see. And I've never used Arctic Fox before, so I'm a bit nervous about that because I had such a bad experience with Manic Panic. But Punky Color, we love, always, forever, the best. And then I've got the Quick Blue Bleach Powder. Is that what it is? Yeah. Quick Blue Powder Bleach, and this Clairol Pure White 30 Volume Developer. So controversially, I am actually not going to dye my roots that came in at all. I don't think. The thing is, this color usually fades by the roots really, really quickly, and I'm just worried that the green is gonna look really bad if it starts fading at the roots first. And in addition to that, I have been wanting to grow my natural root out a little bit. I kind of want to get it to like here-ish to make more of an ombre later on where I'm just dyeing the ends and then the top is staying my natural color. Just want to give my hair a little bit of time to breathe and recuperate from all the bleaching that I've been doing with it. I know the way to do a proper shadow root is to bleach your entire head and then add on the shadow root color, but I'm gonna do it this way because I'm not a professional. But I think that the Arctic Fox color is going to be dark enough that it's not really gonna show that much if there's like imperfections and stuff. So yeah, thinking of not dyeing my roots, but in the heat of the moment, things may change. We'll see. But that's the plan. So let's get to bleaching. I also should probably mention, I'm so sorry for the echo situation we're dealing with right now. I am staying with my parents right now while I'm in between apartments, moving from Brooklyn to Las Vegas. And my mom said, you absolutely cannot dye your hair in my house. So I'm in the garage. I've got a mirror right here. This is a beautiful painter sink where I'm going to be washing out my hair, and we're just gonna stay in the garage. Though I have to say, it's disgusting outside right now. It's raining like crazy, but this garage is warmer than my parents' house because they don't put the heat on. And I don't know why it's so warm in here, but I thought it was gonna be cold. I thought this was gonna be horrible. So far, so good. I'm gonna mix the bleach and we're gonna get to dyeing. All right, so we have the bleach mixed. We're at a pretty nice consistency right now, maybe like a little too thick. I'm worried that I don't have enough. Maybe just mix a tiny bit more. We have my hair sectioned. We are going to start with the back. I am notoriously really bad at sectioning my hair and then completely disregarding it and doing whatever I want. So we'll see if this time we can make it work well. I'm not gonna leave the bleach on for like that long. Oh God, I'm already getting bleach on the floor. But yeah, I'm thinking that 15 minutes might do it. Might be enough, simply because these colors don't stick to my hair. They come out really easily, they fade really fast. So I'm not terribly worried. The problem with curly hair and like starting in the back is that my hair is so frizzy that I can't see what I'm doing. I feel like I just put so much on and now I don't see it at all. Okay, that's some thick bleach. We're gonna see how quickly it lifts. Also, I feel like if I don't get all the color out near the roots, like if there's a little line between where my brown root starts and like the pink and the orange start, if there's still a little bit of color left over, I don't think it's like the biggest deal in the world because if I put green on top of it, it'll probably turn brown. Color theory, is that how that works? I don't know why this doesn't look like it's thick on my hair. Like I feel like I'm pulling up so much and then I'm rubbing it in and there's like nothing coating it. Maybe it's because it's it's a lighter color. I'm used to putting this on top of dark color, the bleach, I mean. It's all gonna be great. I definitely don't think I mixed enough bleach, but that's fine because we've got plenty of powder left. We've got plenty of developer. So if we need more, we just use more. This time I know I'm supposed to start in the back, but I might go front to back just because it's easier to see the back once my hair is flattened down a little bit from the bleach. The one thing I'm seriously worried about is my hair just breaking off. Pretty strong. It's super durable. You know, I've bleached it a good amount of times. This particular set of head hair that I have right now has been bleached once or twice, depending on the section of it. The front section of my hair has been dyed twice, bleached twice, I mean. The back section has been bleached once. It's been fairly dry. I don't think I've been taking the best care of it, if I'm being totally honest, but I'm doing my best. All right, we definitely have to mix more bleach. So what I'm gonna do, like I don't really have that much left, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna use the rest of the bleach I have, making sure I'm like really getting in this bottom section. Then I'm gonna mix more bleach and we're gonna do the top. She's thick over here. The color is like already lifting. Like I knew I wouldn't have to leave it on for an insane amount of time. I know like this pink specifically, I've bleached out before and it bleaches out really, really easily. Honestly, if the roots look bad, I can always just come in with more bleach later. Like once I rinse my hair, if I don't like it, I can do more bleach on the roots. Totally missed this section. Also, I feel like in some sections I am going all the way up to the root. I just want like a baby shadow root, you know? I want to make sure I'm getting all the orange out though. Okay, bleach time, mixing more bleach. I did tell my mom, I was like, later you need to help me cut my undercut and maybe also help me shave my head if this all goes terribly wrong. That might be the next step. All right. Yeah, typically I would leave bleach on closer to like an hour, but because this hair is pre-bleached already, that won't be necessary. I'm just hoping this color lifts quickly and we can move on with our lives and get the new color in, which I've heard green stains like crazy. I hear that is not a fun color to get out of your hair, but we're doing it anyway. Ooh, I feel it like burning my eye sockets. I again do not think I made enough bleach. I think this batch was a little too thick, maybe. Oh my God, there's like definitely a little bit of hair coming off, but I think that's to be expected. As long as it dries, we are good. Also, something I should mention is I am a day away from a huge movie premiere for a film that I was in. We have our red carpet premiere for it tomorrow. So should I be dyeing my hair before I'm supposed to be like at a film premiere? No, I probably shouldn't be, but living life on the edge. This is either gonna end with me with beautiful green hair or a beautiful shaved head. Only time will tell. So I always put a plastic bag over my head because it keeps your heat from your scalp in, which helps the bleach process faster. I'm gonna give it 15 minutes before I check on it, which is usually a lot less than I normally do. But as I said, I think that this is gonna probably not need as much time. So I'm gonna clean up a little, check back in 15 minutes to see what's going on here, and hopefully my hair doesn't fall out. So I'm actually fairly surprised at how much the orange held on, especially like up on the roots here. I probably could bleach certain spots again, but I'm not going to. I'm just gonna go in with the green. I'm thinking that the ends are definitely light enough, and then hopefully on the roots, it just makes it like a muddy brown color, which I'm fine with because that's sort of the look I'm going for anyway. I am a fan of how the roots look, I will say. I'm happy I left the roots out, even though back here I didn't fully leave the roots out. It's a little patchy, but we're not perfect here. Gonna give it a blow dry and then we'll go in with the color. Oh my gosh, my hair is so crispy. It feels horrible. like so straw, but like no breakage, literally none, no breakage, nothing coming off in my brush, kind of wild. I also think that now that it's dry, it for sure will take the green. This is really light and I know how good punky color is, so it'll definitely take the green. Let me set my camera up back where it was before and we'll get in with some color. This is going to be such a cool vibe. I'm excited. I will say the colors were fairly similar, so I don't think I'm gonna get that ombre effect that I'm looking for, but that's fine. I did do, you know, like the top with the darker Arctic Fox and then the bottom with the lighter punky color. If it doesn't have that ombre effect, it's fine. Maybe there will be two tones, maybe there will not be two tones, but I'm glad I did get the two colors because I would have totally run out. I would not have had enough Arctic Fox to cover my whole head, so I'm excited. Going to leave this in for 45 minutes, I think, or an hour. I don't know how long you're supposed to leave it in. Gonna wash it out, gonna style it, gonna show you the finished product. Ta-da! I am so happy with how it turned out. I really didn't get that two-tone I was looking for. I really just think that either the colors were too similar or the Arctic Fox color just like ran down to the end. But I do have a lot of the punky color left, so as it starts to fade a little bit, I can use that to like touch up. I'm also pretty glad that I left my root in. Like, it's not perfect, like I wouldn't look at it up close, but I do think that it's gonna help the colors stay looking fresh longer, especially like as my roots grow in. Because just like when I have a natural color right up against my root, it fades so quickly just because of like the oils and stuff on your scalp. Apparently, not that I'm a professional, which you would know if you looked at my hair like super up close. Like, I missed a ton of spots. It's not perfect, but I just really love the process of doing my hair myself. And this is just feeling so October and fun and Halloween. It's gonna go really great with the Halloween costume that I want to do, so I'm excited about this. I think it's fun, and my makeup is such a vibe, like all of this together. So thank you for coming along another hair dye journey with me. If you like the results, please let me know in the comments. Use a bunch of green hearts. I would love to see that. And check back soon for another video. This might be my new spot actually. So I'm staying with my parents, as I've mentioned a million times, and I don't like filming these videos in their house because they're there and they can hear me and it's just like weird, but I'm in their garage, which is where I dyed my hair. And I found this white wall, which is actually just the garage door. This is a stove over here. I don't know why I left it in the frame, but I did, so enjoy that. This is probably where you will see me filming for the next few weeks because it's just an easy place to film. And yeah, that's all I have to say. Thank you for coming on this journey with me, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. Let it go. 얼어붙어 like whoa. 띵하고 어지러워. I see. 한여름에도 넌 겨울. Yeah, go.